Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix bad video quality in Amazon Prime. So let's begin. First, for example, if you're watching a movie or TV series, any any shows, if you notice it is very low quality, you simply need to click on the video and on the upper right corner you will see a gear icon that will show the video quality settings. You have options, which is the low quality up until the best quality out there. Now, I always choose the best quality. However, take a note that whenever choosing these qualities, Amazon Prime Video functions the same with most streaming services. They will actually stream the best as they can, depending on your internet connection. For example, if your connection is struggling and can't keep up, it will try to lower up the resolution so you can continue watching the movie. However, if you're really persistent, really set the settings on the highest quality, then it will do its best still. But if your connection can't keep up, then it might buffer a lot. But that's it. That's how you fix the bad video quality.